Okay, shall we start? Zayon, are you ready?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. Everyone, kindly unmute. Kindly mute, sorry. Okay, so to begin with, good evening, everyone. My name is Vanessa. I am the Chief Relationship Officer at TM9FX. So, first and foremost, I would like to thank you all for joining with us in this Zoom session, and your time and effort is truly valuable for us. So, thank you so much for your presence. So, my task here basically is to explain to you the company. So the company was founded since 2022 by a UK national named Mr. Jerry. And the main office is at UK. But through the support of our clients and investors, we now have offices in Dubai, Bangladesh, India. So we are already connected with the biggest investors from these Asian countries. And now we are making our name in Pakistan. So our main goal here is to be on the top of the market. And of course, we can only achieve this goal with your full support. So now let's proceed to the company. I would like to introduce to you about the pool trading. If the term is new to you, pool trading is also known as trade pooling or collaborative trading, which means from the word collaboration. Okay, it means multiple of investors pooling their resources together to trade financial assets. Okay, so what makes it a unique or different from the normal trading company? Since there is a collaboration among investors and clients, traders can access a wider range of market options that may have been otherwise unavailable to you as individual investors. Okay, so that means if you are doing the trade by yourselves, there are so many resources that is unavailable. Maybe there are some factors, one of which is the amount that you have invested. Okay, so our vision at TM9FX is to provide educational resources, support, and personalized guidance to help traders at every stage of the journey. At TM9FX, we are a client-centered company. So our main focus is the satisfaction of our clients and investors because we want to have a long-term relationships with you. So as I have mentioned earlier that the company have started since 2022, and in that more than 2 years we have um, we have built trust from these investors from UK, Bangladesh, India, and now in Pakistan, since they are satisfied with the support and guidance from the company. Okay, so we know that the only way to satisfy our client is to provide you the best support and guidance through earning your daily profit. So, because at TM9FX, you will truly earn your profit daily. Our mission here at TM9FX is to revolutionize pool trading by providing a platform that encourages collaboration, transparency, and innovation. Okay? So, collaboration in a term that we believe two feet is better than one. Okay? So, by collaborating investors, by collaborating the resources from the investors, so we can have a wider range of access in the market. And transparency. Of course, the only way to earn your trust is to be transparent in our platform with regards to the progress of your investment. Okay, so we are so transparent. You have your own access. And innovation. What do you mean by the word innovation? So this is now the trend in the world of trading. So let's be part of this trend. Let's work together, grow, and succeed together. by innovating and also in the aid of our skilled and expert traders. So, who are in the business for decades. So, one of my colleague, Mr. Zion, our market analyst, he will enlighten your minds, broaden your knowledge, and will give us insights about the market. Mr. Zion?
Okay, yes. Yes. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to enlighten the people around here. First of all, I will welcome everyone who is here tonight. Okay. My name is Zion. I'm a senior market analyst of TM9FX. I hope everyone can hear me clearly. Can you hear me?
Yes, Zion. Please proceed.
Okay. So to begin with, I believe most of the people here are people that doesn't have much knowledge regarding the financial market. Okay, so I know that some people are here who also knows about the financial market. So I would like to express or define what is meant by the financial market and how people can leverage from the financial market. Okay, so the financial market is actually a big marketplace. Okay, where digital assets, we can buy digital assets at a lower price and sell them at a higher price so that we can make profit on a daily basis. Okay, so so basically, digital asset is what is the underlying word. Okay, what is digital asset? Okay, so the financial market involves instruments like commodities. Okay, as the stock market and the cryptocurrencies as well. So when it comes to when it comes to stock market, it's where you can. I hope you can hear me.
Yes, Zion.
So, so there are instruments in the stock market that you can trade. The stock market is well-established companies like Amazon, Tesla, Apple, Nvidia, Netflix. Okay, these people are the stock market. Okay, they provide individuals the privilege to own a shares in their company. Okay, so basically, if you buy from this company, the stock market, you are a shareholder of the company. Am I clear?
Okay, go.
Okay. So if you buy from the stock market, okay, you are a shareholder of the company, meaning you are buying a digital asset from the company. Okay. You can also buy from the commodities, which is the natural resources that we can leverage from: gold, Brent oil, crude oil, silver, diamond. Okay. These are the natural resources that we can, natural asset that we can also leverage from. Okay. We have the cryptocurrencies as well, like Litecoin, BTC, Ethereum. These are also the natural resource that we can leverage from. But to make leverage or to benefit from this market, okay, you need to first of all have knowledge regarding the market, which is very much important. You need to have knowledge regarding the market, when to buy and when to sell. Okay, so when it comes to TM9FX, our focus, our focus is based on unexperienced people, okay, and experienced people market. Okay, so basically, there are a lot of people losing capital when they start trading because their knowledge regarding the market is very, very less. Okay, so our focus here is to make everybody profitable in the market. That is why we came out with pool trading. Okay, pool trading is basically a joint account.
Zion? Zion, are you there? Okay, so pool trading is Zion? Okay, so what he's trying to explain is that pool trading is basically from the word pool. So I have mentioned it earlier that it's a collaboration between investors, means you will have a joint account. Okay, so that's what makes it safe because we are offering the pool trading plan since it's a joint account, and it depends on how much you are going to invest. So we are going to sign a contract which will be beneficial for both parties. Now it's up to the investors which plans they're going to take, either 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, and maximum pool duration of 2 years. And from that investment, you will have your monthly profit generated from 15% to 35%, depending on the amount that you have invested. So that's what makes pool trading a safer and a smarter trading company. Okay, Zayan, go
Okay.
ahead.
Yeah. So sorry, I had a call, so that's why I went offline. Uh,
Okay, so but the last word that you mentioned is about the concept of pool trading, about
okay.
the account.
So yeah. So basically, we came out with pool trading, where beginners can also benefit from trading in the financial market. Okay. Uh, so pool trading is basically simple. It's a joint account where you can actually.
Okay, I think Zion has a problem with his internet connection. So in pool trading, it is beneficial whether you are beginner in the market or you are already in the market, um, because one of the vision here is to be globally influential trading management firm that helps transform the groundbreaking ideas into a tangible realities. So if you have already experienced from the normal trading, for let's say for example you're doing the trade by yourself, it seems like you don't have the assurance whether you will truly earn your profit or you will easily lose your money. Okay, but in pool trading, since we have a skilled and since we have skilled specialized traders, so your investment is safe. And the good
That's
thing
right.
is, and the Zion.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay.
So sorry, so sorry. So
No.
as I was
Okay.
saying, as I
Just give
was
your.
saying, as I was saying, our motive here is to make experienced people, okay, and unexperienced people to benefit from trading. Okay, that is why we came out with pool trading, in order for them to join an account, okay, to be able to have a higher purchasing power in the market. One of the most important thing, or one of the most beneficiary thing in pool trading, okay, is that individuals will benefit from the diversified opportunities that present itself in the market. Okay, assuming you are trading as individual, there are a lot of opportunities that you cannot trade. Why? Due to your equity. Okay, assuming you have an equity of 1,000, and you are trading in gold, for instance, okay, and you find another opportunity in the stock market or cryptocurrency, BTC, okay, due to your the minimum amount of your equity, or due to your equity, you cannot trade this instrument, okay, which is giving you a limited purchasing power. Okay, so if you join your account with in pool trading, the amount in the pool trading will be enough to trade this kind of instrument that has an opportunity in. I hope I'm clear.
That's true.
Yeah. So pool trading will actually give you the benefit, okay, to be able to trade a diversify opportunities. Okay, it also gives you the benefit of higher purchasing power. Okay, the amount that you cannot purchase when you join an account with group of people or group of investors. Okay, you will be able to trade much than you as an individual trader. I hope this is clear.
That's true, Mr. Zion.
Yeah. So you can drop your questions in the comment section, and then we'll answer. We'll do diligence to answer all the questions under the comment section. One more thing about the pool trading. We in our platform we have two types of plans that you can actually create or invest in. Okay, we have pool A and pool B. All right. With the pool A, the moment if you make an investment, okay, you can withdraw your initial capital, your profit on each day. Okay, pool A, you can withdraw your profit each day. Okay, but your initial capital will take you 6 months before you withdraw from your initial capital. Pool B will take you 1 year, which is 12 months before you withdraw your initial capital. But your profit, you will withdraw your profit on a daily basis. If you want to leave it to accumulate, you can also leave it. But if you want to withdraw it on a daily basis, you can also withdraw it. So drop your comment, your questions under the comment section. Anything that you didn't hear clearly, we are here to explain to you.
So apart from that, Mr. Zion, in pool trading, we want you to achieve your financial freedom.
Yes,
So
exactly.
by the consistent returns, diverse
Yes,
trading pools,
yes,
reinvestment strategies, easy income withdrawals,
exactly,
transparency and support. Okay?
exactly.
So that is how um we aspire you, we inspire you, but of course, it requires a strategic approach and investment. Okay, so we will provide you these tools and opportunities to turn your financial dreams into reality.
You remember with pool trading, the main focus here is to make profit, consistent profit in the market. Okay, so you wouldn't have to worry about losses, because if you are trading as an individual, that is where you
Easy.
sometimes be in losses. Yeah, you easily lose. Okay, but this is pool trading. We assure you of consistent profit. Okay, each and every day you are going to see your profit. You have a proper plan for your capital. Okay, so now if you invest in the pool trading, now your capital is protected and your profit is assured.
Okay,
When it comes to,
and good news in pool trading, um, you just don't earn from your profit. Okay, you just don't earn from your profit daily, but you also have commissions from your referrals. So let's say because we give the full support that you need, we satisfy you as one of our investor. Now you refer the company to your friend. Okay? So from that referral, you also have commission. So apart from your monthly or daily profit, you also earn from your referral. So we will also provide you commission.
yeah. So one thing. Last time I was having a seminar with in Qatar. Okay, I was having a seminar in Qatar. So I was like, so why do you save in the bank rather than why don't you invest your money in the pool trading than saving in the bank? Okay, there are a lot of disadvantages when it comes to savings, but I think people has not actually learned or take their time to understand what is going on in the banking system. Okay, if you put your money in the bank or if you save in the bank, okay, now it's just like you giving your money out for someone to go and make what with it. Okay, you are giving your money to someone to go and make money with it. Why don't you make money with your own money? You understand? Because with the moment you invest your money in the bank or you save in the bank, it becomes a liability to the bank. The bank doesn't need your money to save, or doesn't need your money to store it. Okay, the moment your money is saved in the bank, they have to utilize the money. They have to send the money to use it to trade. Okay, so they will use your capital or your money to trade to make interest. But guess what? You are not getting anything from it. In pool trading, you invest your money in pool trading. Now your capital is assured and you are going to also make profit out of pool trading. But if you put your money in the bank, you are not going to make anything. Rather, the banks are going to use it to trade and make money for themselves. So the best thing to do is to actually invest your money in pool trading for you to gain a reasonable returns than to put your money in the bank, okay, for the bank to use it to make profit for themselves.
Very well said, Mr. Zion.
Any question in the comment section?
Actually, I have read one question here. What agreement for security? So I have mentioned it earlier that when you signed up, when you are planning to invest with us, so we have sets of agreement that we need to sign. You have to sign. You as an investor, as our client, you have to sign, and should be signed also by both parties to make sure that your investment is safe and secured.
Okay.
Okay.
So one more thing is that uh there is an agreement, okay, depending on your equity or the capital that you are coming with, okay. If your equity is more than 20,000 and above, okay, if your equity is 20,000 and above, we have a lot of properties that we are going to hand over to you, okay, as an assurance. We have a lot of properties that we are going to hand over to you with your name and everything, okay, to ensure you that your capital is safe. We are going to make you profit, and when it's time for you to make withdraw your capital, you withdraw it, and then we take our property back. So this is actually a collateral, okay, to ensure you that your capital is safe and your profit is assured.
Okay, one good question. Minimum of how much are we gonna invest and how much profit?
Okay, so basically we don't have minimum amount and we don't have maximum amount, depending on the profit that you want to make on a daily basis. On a daily basis, the profit ranges from 0.4 to 0.5 rather. 0.4 to 0.8 rather. Okay, so we don't have any maximum or minimum amount that you have to invest.
So you can
In
start with that. Does mean that they can start with $250, $500, one thousand
Very good,
dollars, and so.
very good. But each day they are going to make 0.4% to 0.8% each day.
Okay, so it actually depends on you. How much are
Yes,
you gonna
exactly.
invest? So if your
Exactly.
investment reaches up to $20,000, for sure we
Yeah.
will give you we will hand over to you the property that is
Yeah.
under your name and can be converted into cash
Yeah.
once you are able to finish your contract with us. Once
Yes.
you're able to finish the plan. But your daily profit, you can withdraw it daily whenever you want to.
Yes.
So, as what I have mentioned earlier, that we are a client centered. So, we give you the full support that you really need in order for the client and our investor to be satisfied with our services. I think most of the all of our guests here are Pakistani, so anyone can translate it in Urdu or Hindi.
Yeah.
Yes, sure, Miss Vanessa, I can translate. अगर किसी का कोई सवाल है तो वो आप टेक्स्ट में पूछें। कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा तो मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ। किसी का कोई सवाल है?
Um, were you guys satisfied with the answers based on your questions earlier?
जी, अगर आप ट्रेडिंग करना चाहते हैं तो आप बिल्कुल हमसे पूछ सकते हैं। इसमें हम मुकम्मल आपको गाइडेंस देते हैं कि किस तरह से आपने ट्रेडिंग करनी है। आपको इसमें मुकम्मल तौर पे एजुकेशन प्रोवाइड की जाती है, पूरी ट्रेनिंग्स दी जाती हैं, और साथ साथ मार्केट एनालिसिस भी आपको शेयर किया जाता है, जो कि हमारे एक्सपर्ट्स शेयर करते हैं।
Okay, so not till now. Yes, we are satisfied. How to start with scratch. So everything started from scratch. Careers, investment, um, everything, it all started from scratch. Now, if you're satisfied with our service, and the only way for you to satisfied is to try. Okay? Just like when you are craving for some foods that you want to eat, so you will not be satisfied your cravings unless you have eaten the food. Am I right? So same with
Exactly.
us. So the only way for you to satisfy is to try. You can start with $250, training free or paid. Zion, can you
जी,
Okay.
answer it?
वेट अ मिनट,
Actually,
सॉरी। मिस
yeah.
मलिका का सवाल है कि ट्रेनिंग फ्री है या पेड है। बेसिक ट्रेनिंग फ्री दी जाती है। अगर आपने एडवांस या इंटरमीडिएट लेवल की ट्रेनिंग्स लेनी है तो उसके लिए चार्जेस भी होते हैं। अगर आप अपना ट्रेडिंग कैरियर TM9FX कंपनी के साथ स्टार्ट करते हैं तो फिर एडवांस लेवल की ट्रेनिंग्स भी कंपनी की तरफ से फ्री में प्रोवाइड की जाती है। थैंक्स फॉर योर क्वेश्चन।
I hope it is
Okay.
well explained.
Malika Chodhari, let me just reiterate with you that if you are a beginner in trading company, in trading, if you're a beginner in the market, it's better for you to start with us. It is better for you to start in pool trading rather than doing the trade by yourself.
Exactly. Exactly.
Because we have Mr. Zion as our expert in trading. So he will guide you, he will help you all through your journey.
Yes.
This is actually what makes it unique and safe trading company rather than the normal one, because it's a collaboration. So your investment is safe, because especially if you're a beginner, you're not the one who will do the trade. So one of our skilled and expert traders will do the trade for you in your behalf. So all you have to do is just to, if I'm the investor, I will just check how much I earn daily. Right, Mr. Zion?
Yes, yes, exactly. Exactly.
Any other
Daily earnings is very much important when it comes to us, okay? Because we feel like uh, there should be transparency, okay? And on your platform, you know whatever is going on the pool trading, okay? And every day you are going to receive your daily profit every day. That is very much important to us, okay? And your withdrawals are also our priority, okay? Your withdrawals
so
are
easy
also our
to quick? Withdrawals are so easy. Withdrawal approval is so easy. In just one blink of your eye, your withdrawal is approved. So you don't
exactly.
have to worry.
Exactly.
Any other questions from the guests? Clarifications? Okay, I want to start learning and free training with TM9FX. What's the first step I should need to do?
Okay, so the first step he should do now is to create an account with TM9FS. Okay, be part of our pool trading investors. Then we will start from there.
Mr. Malika, were Mr. Zayon able to answer your question? I hope so.
मिस मलाइका, आपको यहाँ पे अभी नंबर शेयर किया जाएगा। ये नंबर हमारे ऑफिशियल सपोर्ट का नंबर है। यहाँ पे आप रब्ता कर सकती हैं और उसमें आपको पूरी गाइडेंस दे दी जाएगी कि क्या प्रोसेस होगा ज्वाइन करने का और ट्रेनिंग्स का क्या प्रोसेस होगा। वेलकम मिस्टर अरबान, थैंक्स फॉर कमिंग एंड ज्वाइनिंग अस। आपने अपने बिजी शेड्यूल से थोड़ा टाइम निकाला। तो यहाँ पे कुछ क्वेश्चंस हो रहे हैं, तो आप काइंडली इनको एलैबोरेट कर दें, एक्सप्लेन कर दें।
जी जी जरूर। सॉरी फॉर लेट, बट मैं थोड़ा सा बिजी था। आप प्लीज क्वेश्चन बताइए।
Thank you so much, Miss Malika, for your interest.
Miss Vanessa, kindly continue. If any new questions appears, Mr. Oban is now with us and he will explain.
Sure. Any questions from the guests or clarifications? You can ask in Urdu or Hindi. Mr. Abnan will answer you. Feel free to ask questions, or if you have some any clarifications, you can ask in Hindi or Urdu. Mr. Zion, is there anything else that you need to add?
Basically, we actually waiting for their questions. Okay, and think we've said a lot that needs to be questioned. You understand? I don't know if everything that we said is clear to them. So I'm actually expecting more questions from them so that we can give them explanation on that.
Actually, based on experience, pool trading is the safest way to earn profit and a safest way for your investment rather than doing the trade by yourself. Based on experience, doing the trade by yourself, you can easily lose your money, as what Mr. Zion mentioned earlier, and the resources. There are so many resources that is unavailable to you because of your equity.
And one more thing is that if you are trading by yourself, it means that your equity, okay, your equity will be automatically, it will be less, even if you're having 50,000 or 100,000 equity in your account, right? So basically, if you are trading, you would have to, put a stops so that if the market goes against you, you doesn't lose your whole capital. Okay. In this situation, whenever there is a little bit manipulation in the market, your stops will be taken off. Okay. So you end up losing capital on a regular basis. Okay. You'll be losing on a regular basis. But with pool trading, our equity is very, very huge. Okay. It's very huge. Let's assume we have $1 million in our account. Okay. So if we identify the direction of the market to be bullish, okay, all we do is to take a long position. Okay, we take a long position and then we leave the trade. Okay, so on a daily basis, our the market will be going on our favor. Even if it goes against us, okay, our equity is very huge that the market will not actually clear it all, cannot actually clear it all. Okay, so we position in the market, okay, and wait till the direction begin to go in our favor. Okay, that is why whenever you start, okay, you cannot actually withdraw your initial capital in a period of 6 months and 12 months, because you have a strategic plan that you are trading and protecting your capital. Okay, so within this 6 months and 12 months, okay, this strategic plan, we are using it. We have, when it comes to trading, we have types of trading. Okay, we have swing trading, we have scalping, we have position trading, and we have day trading. Okay, so in pool trading, our trading is based on positioning. Okay, we find a good entry, okay, and position ourselves for 5 months, 6 months, or even a year, and the trade is still in operation. Okay, we don't close the trade. Okay, so with this long run, the market will begin to go in our favor. Even if it goes against that, it cannot go against that all time. I hope it is clear. For instance, those who started last year November, okay, they are making profit on a daily basis, but the trades are still in position, okay, because our expectation for this for the price of gold, okay, our expectation is 3,500. We bought it at below 3,000. Okay, those who are trading in gold, we bought it around 3,000, below 3,000, and now we are the price of gold is trading around 3,221. I think 212. Yeah, so we are expecting the price to rise up to 3,500. Okay, so we are not going to take the trade off. We are not going to close the trade until the price get to our position, our take profit or our targeted area. Okay, so with this, we accumulate the profit. Okay, we gain more profit. But if you are trading alone, you cannot hold the position for this long. Okay, the maximum you can hold is just less in a day or two or 3 days. All right, but if there's minimum manipulation in the market, you see your capital being cleared off. That is why pool trading is much important when it comes to trading.
So, Mr. Aban, can you translate it in Urdu? Summarize it in Urdu or Hindi? Mr. Aban, are you there?
Yeah, sure. Can you hear me, guys?
Yes, you're audible.
Okay. Actually, Mr. Zayon, can I hear?
Yeah, I can hear you.
लेकिन जब आप सिंगल अकाउंट की तरफ ट्रेडिंग वाली साइड पे जाते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल आपके अकाउंट में $1,000 हैं, $5,000 हैं, या इवन $10,000 हैं, वही अगर मार्केट में बिग मैनिपुलेशन आती है, फॉर एग्जांपल अगर हम लास्ट टाइम की बात करें तो मार्केट में गोल्ड ने मूव की अबव 3,200 अबव क्रॉस किया उसने, तो इतनी बड़ी मैनिपुलेशन एक छोटा अकाउंट बेयर आउट नहीं कर सकता. बट जब हम सारे फंड्स को अकोमुलेट कर लेते हैं, आफ्टर अकोमुलेटिंग ऑल द फंड्स दैट वी हैव, उसके बाद हम लोग उन फंड्स के ऊपर एक अच्छे वे में ट्रेड कर सकते हैं, मार्केट की स्पाइक्स को, मार्केट की मैनिपुलेशन को एक अच्छे तरीके से रिकवर कर सकते हैं. इट्स बेटर, जितनी ज्यादा आपके अकाउंट की इक्विटी होगी उतना अच्छा आप उस पर रिटर्न ले सकते हैं और उतना रिस्क मिनिमम हो जाता है. हमें क्या करना है, रिस्क को मिनिमाइज करना है और प्रॉफिट्स को मैक्सिमम करना है. इसीलिए पूल ट्रेडिंग इंडिविजुअल ट्रेडिंग से ज्यादा बेस्ट है. और इसके साथ साथ क्योंकि हमारे साथ सीनियर एनालिस्ट अवेलेबल होते हैं ऑल अराउंड द वर्ल्ड से, शिकागो मर्केंटाइल एक्सचेंज से हमारे साथ, आलमैक्स ग्रुप से हमारे साथ लोग अवेलेबल होते हैं, यूके एक्सचेंजेस से हमारे साथ लोग अवेलेबल होते हैं. तो हमें जो एनालिसिस की क्वालिटी प्रोवाइड की जाती है, दैट इज फॉर बेटर, जो कि एक इंडिविजुअल बेसिस पे एनालिसिस किया जाता है. एंड फॉर श्योर कि हमारे एनालिसिस फॉर सेल नहीं है, हम लोग अपने एनालिसिस को सेल आउट नहीं करते, हम उन एनालिसिस का यूज आउट करते हैं अपनी पूल ट्रेडिंग के अंदर. आई होप मेरा पॉइंट क्लियर हुआ आप सब लोगों को. इफ देयर इज एनी फर्दर क्वेश्चन.
Is there any other questions and clarifications?
I'm sorry for the background voices actually. I'm right now at Burj Khalifa. That's why there is lots of noises, man. I hope you can hear me. I tried to figure out that I can go to my car and then do a video call Zoom session from there, but it's too much far. Otherwise, I will be late.
Okay, okay. We can hear you clearly, Mr. Aban.
Okay, so guys, here's how you can become a member at TM9FX. You can start your journey by signing up on our platform, complete your profile. Number three, choose a pool trading plan for yourself. Start and monitor your portfolio. Access support and educational resources. And lastly, grow with TM9FX.
So basically,
Question?
gentlemen and ladies that are joining us, हमारा मेन एम एक ही है कि हम पुल ट्रेडिंग को ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोगों तक एक्सेसिबल करें. और there will be a limit, then we will stop taking investments for the pool trading. Definitely when we will full up at a limit. तो उस पोजीशन से पहले आप सब लोग एक ट्राई कीजिए. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि आप एक बड़े फंड के साथ आइए, आप एक छोटे फंड के साथ स्टार्ट लीजिए. आप प्रोग्रेस को देखिए 1 मंथ 2 मंथ 3 मंथ 4 मंथ. इवन अगर आपको 2 साल तक हमारी प्रोग्रेस को देखना है, आप 2 साल तक हमारी प्रोग्रेस को देखिए, 3 साल तक हमारी प्रोग्रेस को देखिए. बट ये स्टोरी बातों में नहीं चल सकती. इसके लिए आपको कुछ ना कुछ इन्वेस्ट करना लाजमी है. अदरवाइज हम यूं ही आपको एक्सप्लेन करते रहेंगे और आप एक्सप्लेनेशन को सुनते रहेंगे. बट वर्ड्स आर वर्ड्स, प्रैक्टिकल इज प्रैक्टिकल. जब आप इसको बकायदा एक स्टार्ट लेंगे, आई एम नॉट सेइंग विद $100,000, लेट्स स्टार्ट विद $1,000 विद अ वेरी बेसिक अमाउंट. जब आप एक बेसिक अमाउंट के साथ हमारे साथ स्टार्ट लेंगे, डेफिनेटली तब आपको पता चलेगा कि रिटर्न्स कैसे हैं, विड्रॉवल्स कैसे हैं, ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. तब आप विड्रॉवल्स को टेस्ट कर पाएंगे. In the words we will be saying, withdraw is instant, withdraw is this, withdraw is that. But definitely, unless you guys put the withdrawal, you cannot test it. The way it should be tested. तो जब तक आप उसको प्रैक्टिकली करोगे नहीं, तब तक आपको समझ नहीं आएगी कि आप लोग कर क्या रहे हो. आई होप यू गाइस आर गेटिंग माय पॉइंट.
That's true, Mr. Aban. The only way for you to satisfy our service is to try. Invest with us and let's grow side by side together. Is there any question?
Is there any more question?
Actually, Mr. Aban, we're in the session for 50 minutes. 45 minutes, I think so.
Yeah, 45 minutes.
Is there any other question, guys? Or clarifications? Or if you are really interested to invest with us, you can request, if you still have any questions, you can request for a one-on-one Zoom session. Just feel free to reach us. The number is provided in the chat section.
कुछ गेस्ट का क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं कि आप हमें पैनल दिखाएं और पैनल समझाएं. अभी एक पैनल आप सबके साथ शेयर किया गया है, तो आप ये पैनल देखें. इस पैनल में आपका जो भी सवाल है आप पूछना चाहते हैं आप पूछें. मिस्टर अबान आपको एक्सप्लेन करेंगे.
जी, आप लोगों को क्वेश्चन है तो आप लोग पूछ सकते हैं प्लीज.
Mr. Aban, I think it's all clear to all our guests.
मिस्टर अबान थोड़ा पैनल एक्सप्लेन कर दें.
जी, पैनल आप सबको नजर आ रहा होगा। इसके ऊपर हमारे पास ऑल ऑफ द ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल हैं। अगर आप सामने देखते हैं तो आपको आपके बैलेंस शो हो रहे हैं। अगर आप डिपॉजिट के सेक्शन में जाते हैं तो आपको वहाँ पे यूएसडीटी एड्रेस मिल जाएगा जहाँ से आप लोग डिपॉजिट कर सकते हैं। इसके अलावा उसके अलावा आप देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे आपको बैलेंस शो हो रहा है, आपने कितनी इन्वेस्टमेंट की, किस पूल के अंदर आप इन्वेस्टमेंट करना चाह रहे हैं, आपको वो ऑप्शन मिल जाता है। काइंडली यू कैन आप जा सकते हैं पूल ट्रेडिंग वाले ऑप्शंस पे।
Okay, permission to speak.
पूल ट्रेडिंग के ऑप्शंस को ओपन।
From Miss Malika Chaudhary, I want to invest, but after completing my training and learning with TM9FX. What can you say about this, Mr. Aban?
Yeah, definitely for sure. For the CRM training we are also available. हम लोग भी आपके लिए अवेलेबल हैं CRM ट्रेनिंग के लिए। इसके अलावा हमारे रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स भी अवेलेबल है। देखिए, अब यहाँ पे आपको बेसिकली दो पूल्स मिल रहे हैं। एक TM9FX ऑफिशियल पूल ए और दूसरा ऑफिशियल पूल बी। दोनों ऑफिशियल पूल्स की आप स्पेसिफिकेशंस यहाँ पे एनालाइज कर सकते हैं कि एक पूल के अंदर आपको रिटर्न मिल रहा है 8 to 9%, पूल ए पूल बी के अंदर आप।
Mr. Aban, you're not audible. Mr.
तो
Aban?
आपकी कैपिटल अमाउंट की कंडीशंस भी दी गई हैं। आपको करना क्या है कि आपको सिंपली रजिस्ट्रेशन लिंक पे जाना है। रजिस्ट्रेशन लिंक पे जाके आप अपना इनिशियल फॉर्म फिलअप करेंगे। आपके पास वेरिफिकेशन ईमेल आएगी, आप उसको वेरीफाई करेंगे। वेरीफाई करने के फौरन बाद आपका सीआरएम ओपन हो जाएगा। ओपन होते ही आप काइंडली डिपॉजिट के सेक्शन में जाइए। गो टू द डिपॉजिट सेक्शन प्लीज। ओके, यहाँ से आप दो मेथड्स हैं हमारे पास डिपॉजिट बाय कार्ड। अगर आप कार्ड से डिपॉजिट करना चाहते हैं, इट्स बेसिकली डिफरेंट मेथड। फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर आप पीकेआर के अंदर पेमेंट कर सकते हैं। सेम हमारे पास साउथ अफ्रीका से जो क्लाइंट्स हैं या यूएई से क्लाइंट्स हैं, अगर वो अपने लोकल बैंकिंग से डिपॉजिट करना चाहते हैं तो हम उनको लोकल बैंक अकाउंट्स प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं। और लाइक सऊदी अरेबिया के अंदर हमारा डिपॉजिट मेथड बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है डिपॉजिट कार्ड से। आपको आप कॉन्टेक्ट नाउ पे जब क्लिक करते हैं तो आपको कंपनी के रिप्रेजेंटेटिव की तरफ से, सीएसआर की तरफ से आपको लोकल बैंक अकाउंट प्रोवाइड किया जाता है। उस लोकल बैंक अकाउंट में आप पेमेंट करते हैं। उस पेमेंट के रिगार्डिंग आपको एक कार्ड जनरेट करके दिया जाता है जिसमें आपका सीरियल नंबर, सीरियल पिन और कार्ड नंबर अवेलेबल होता है। वो डिटेल्स आप जब यहाँ आके डालते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल आपने $1000 के लिए पेमेंट की पीकेआर के अंदर, आपने स्लिप शेयर की, आपको $1000 का एक कार्ड मिल जाएगा। वो कार्ड के ऊपर जो भी आपका कार्ड नंबर होगा और पिन कोड होगा वो, और यहाँ पे आप जैसे ही आके लगाएंगे तो आपके अकाउंट के अंदर यूज कार्ड पे क्लिक करते ही आपके अकाउंट के अंदर अमाउंट रिफ्लेक्ट हो जाएगी। अब जैसे ही वो अमाउंट आपके अकाउंट के अंदर रिफ्लेक्ट होगी, फॉर एग्जांपल $1000, आप उस $1000 को यूज कर सकते हैं किसी भी पूल इन्वेस्टमेंट को सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए। फॉर एग्जांपल, आप पूल ए में जाना चाहते हैं या पूल बी में जाना चाहते हैं, डिपेंड्स अपॉन यू। आपके अकाउंट में जैसे ही फंड आ जाएगा आप यहाँ पर आएंगे। फॉर एग्जांपल, आप पूल ए में जाना चाहते हैं, इन्वेस्ट नाउ पे क्लिक करेंगे और यहाँ पर आप अमाउंट सेलेक्ट करेंगे और इन्वेस्ट नाउ पे क्लिक करेंगे, ओके करेंगे, आपकी इन्वेस्टमेंट यहीं पे हो जाएगी। तो बहुत सिंपल मेथड है, बहुत ही ज्यादा। हमने इसको अपने क्लाइंट्स के लिए ट्रांसपेरेंट रखा हुआ है। ट्रांसपेरेंसी बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है। जितनी हमारी और हमारे क्लाइंट के दरमियान एक ट्रांसपेरेंसी रहेगी उतना ज्यादा आप लोग भी क्लियर रहोगे और हम लोग एक लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए साथ चल सकते हैं। सेम एज फॉर विड्रॉवल, नेटवर्कर्स के लिए हमारे पास कुछ अवार्ड्स हैं जिसमें स्पॉट बाइक है, जिसमें आप टूवर्स है, जिसके अंदर लैपटॉप्स हैं, नेशनल टूवर है, सेल फोन्स हैं, पीआर बॉक्स है, मतलब बहुत कुछ है। आप जी, वी हम बिजनेस को ग्रो करना चाहते हैं। आवर मेन एम इज टू ग्रो बिजनेस। इफ यू, अगर आप हमारे साथ हमारे बिजनेस को ग्रो करने में हेल्प आउट करें इट्स मीन कि आप अब हमारे बिजनेस का एक पार्ट है, आप एक TM9FX की एक फैमिली हैं, और उनके लिए हम जो कमा रहे हैं उस कमाई में से जो प्रॉफिट्स हम लोग बना रहे हैं थ्रू ट्रेडिंग, पूल ट्रेडिंग, उसमें से हम लोग आगे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हैं ताकि हम लोग आपके प्रोफाइल्स को बूस्ट अप कर सकें। उन प्रोफाइल्स को बूस्ट अप करने के लिए हमने यहाँ पे डिफरेंट रिवॉर्ड्स रखे हैं, डिफरेंट अचीवमेंट्स रखी हैं, सो दैट वी कैन बिल्ड टुगेदर, हम मिल के बिल्ड अप कर सकें। अगर आपके पास खुद इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं है, डेफिनेटली आप दूसरे लोगों की इन्वेस्टमेंट ला सकते हैं, और उन इन्वेस्टमेंट के ऊपर जो भी हम लोग ट्रेड करेंगे उसमें आपको भी शेयर मिलेगा, हमें भी मिलेगा, और क्लाइंट को भी शेयर मिलेगा। इसके अलावा हमारे पास ट्रांसफर बैलेंस का ऑप्शन है। ट्रांसफर बैलेंस से आप बिटवीन द अकाउंट्स अपने बैलेंस को ट्रांसफर कर सकते हैं। दैट इज अ सुपर फास्ट एंड वेरी इजी मेथड एज वेल। अगर आप लोग चाहते हैं तो हम इसकी आपको एक डिटेल वीडियो भी CRM की बना के भेज सकते हैं, कि किस तरीके से CRM को यूज किया जा सकता है, प्रॉपर क्लाइंट पोर्टल को किस तरीके से हम लोग यूज कर सकते हैं। जी, इस तरीके से अगर आप डैशबोर्ड पे आते हैं तो डैशबोर्ड पे आपको आपकी पूरी इन्वेस्टमेंट्स, और इन्वेस्टमेंट के साथ साथ आपको आप क्या बैलेंस है आपके ट्रेडिंग वॉलेट के अंदर, क्या इन्वेस्टमेंट है, क्या रिटर्न है, कब नेक्स्ट पेमेंट आपके अकाउंट के अंदर आनी है, तो ये सारी चीजें आपको वहां पे नजर आएंगी। बोला माफी शुरू। जी, अपने सिक्योरिटी को इन्हांस करने के लिए हमने यहाँ पे टू फैक्टर ऑथेंटिकेटर भी दिया हुआ है। तो टू फैक्टर ऑथेंटिकेटर से आप अपने अकाउंट को मजीद सिक्योर कर सकते हैं। तो ये एक लेटेस्ट मेथड है जो कि आपने डिफरेंट एप्लीकेशंस लाइक बाइनांस में भी देखा होगा। तो टू फैक्टर ऑथेंटिकेटर से आपके अकाउंट को बहुत ज़्यादा सिक्योरिटी मिलती है, जिससे नियरली इम्पॉसिबल है कि कोई आपके अकाउंट को रीच आउट कर सके और आपके अकाउंट से पैसा निकाल सके। दूसरी चीज़, अब बहुत ज़्यादा कंपनी देखें, हम लोग आप लोगों के साथ बहुत फेयर चलना चाहते हैं, बहुत ट्रांसपेरेंट चलना चाहते हैं, बिल्कुल एक क्लियर इमेज जो कि क्लाइंट और कंपनी के दरमियान में होना चाहिए, हम लोग उसके साथ चलना चाहते हैं। इसीलिए अगर आप हमारा रेफरल पोर्टल देखें तो रेफरल पोर्टल इस टाइम पे हमारा ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड सबसे ज्यादा एडवांस है और सबसे ज्यादा ट्रांसपेरेंट है। आपको एक स्पेसिफिक रेफरल लिंक दिया जाता है। उस रेफरल लिंक से जब भी वो रेफरल लिंक आप किसी क्लाइंट को सेंड करते हैं और क्लाइंट उस लिंक से रजिस्टर करता है, आप उसको देख सकते हैं अपने पास अपने पोर्टल के अंदर। ओके, तो जब आप अपने पोर्टल के अंदर देखेंगे तो आपके सामने होगा कि क्या बिजनेस आया आपके पास, और कितने क्लाइंट्स आए, कितने डिपॉजिट्स आए, उनका क्या रिटर्न आया, ईच एंड एवरीथिंग। आपके एक एक क्लाइंट, अगर किसी क्लाइंट का $100 भी डिपॉजिट है या $100,000 का डिपॉजिट है, वो सारी की सारी डिटेल्स आपके पास आपके पोर्टल पे शो हो रही होंगी, बिकॉज वी एम टू बी ट्रांसपेरेंट। हम बहुत ज्यादा ट्रांसपेरेंट आपके साथ चलते हैं, और इसलिए ये ट्रांसपेरेंसी टेक्नोलॉजी के जरिए है, और आपको ईच एंड एवरी डिटेल बहुत ज्यादा विजिबल में मिलेगी। एनी मोर क्वेश्चंस? आप
Any other
रेफरल
questions from the
मैसेज पे
guest?
जाइए ताकि एक दफा
जी, आई थिंक मजीद
रेफरल
किसी
पेज
को
पे
कोई
जाइए
क्वेश्चन
प्लीज।
नहीं है। आज की मीटिंग आई थिंक एंड करते हैं, सबको क्लियर है। अगर किसी के कोई क्वेश्चंस रह गए हैं तो आपने इस मीटिंग को जिसके रेफरेंस से ज्वाइन किया है, मजीद इंफॉर्मेशन आप उनसे ले सकते हैं, वो आपको मजीद एक्सप्लेन कर देंगे।
और क्वेश्चन हैं आपके?
I think it's all clear to them. Okay. Mr. Aban, is there anything else that you need to add? Okay, thank you so much, everyone, for your presence. Thank you so much for the time and effort of being with us tonight in this live session. Um, we're hoping and looking forward to deal with you in the near future. So, shall we end this live now, sir? Zion, are you still there?
Yeah, I'm here. So I think we've had enough time here, and everything is clear. So we thank you all for being here with us. Okay, and if you have any inquiry or something, you can actually message us directly via our WhatsApp number, and we are here to guide you. So we look forward to starting business with you guys. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you so much for being with us tonight. This is Miss Vaneesa, your host at TM9FX. We're happy to serve you, and let's grow side by side at TM9FX. Goodbye, everyone, and good night. Have a happy weekend. Bye, Zion.
Bye, Miss.